Need to deposit a check but can't make it to the bank? No problem. First Interstate's mobile app allows you to deposit checks from the palm of your hand. Simply open your First Interstate Bank app, click Check Deposit in the bottom navigation bar, and follow the on-screen instructions. Here are a few helpful tips to make sure the photo is clear and readable. Close out all other open apps, place the check on a plain, dark background with good lighting, and make sure the check is fully in the frame and all four corners are visible. To help your phone recognize the corners, you can draw dots on each corner of the check. This will help the camera focus, and it won't affect the check or your deposit. Once you've taken a picture of the front and back of the check, submit the deposit. You'll receive a confirmation if the deposit's submitted successfully. You'll receive 2 emails, one letting you know the deposit was received, and another when the deposit is accepted or rejected. If you have any questions about mobile deposit, you can send a secure message to our client contact center through Secure Support under the More tab. Thanks for using the First Interstate mobile app.